Being a small property really means thinking big, like making sure you have enough of the top 6 features and services guests are prepared to spend more for. How many do you have? Let's count down to number 1 and see. Coming in at number 6 is a free airport shuttle. Providing this service to and from your hotel is a surefire way to attract more direct bookings. At number 5 is offering an early check-in and late check-out. Travellers love the flexibility it gives them, and they'll remember you fondly for it. Number 4 is spa treatments. After all, who doesn't want to take you up on all that pampering? And now we're down to number 3, spacious rooms. No surprises here. The more space you can offer guests, the better. Our number 2, a room with a view. Yes, that spacious room we just mentioned is loved even more when it looks out onto something beautiful. And rounding out the list, complimentary breakfast. How many has your small property got? 1, 2, 3, or all 6? Remember, Little Hotelier gives you plenty of insights on how to attract more guests and keep them coming back. So let's keep in touch and keep you thinking big. Oh, and 98.4% of guests expect free Wi-Fi in their rooms. So you might want to add that one to your list.